Hello, welcome to another episode of Chun TV. Now, this time I'm going to demonstrate how to make a really cool video. So what you can do is you can turn any song into a very simple music video using these steps. So what you got to do first is, usually I start by making a song. So here I have a very basic song, nothing, not rocket science, nothing crazy, just some simple little video game music or something. So yeah, I mean, it pretty much just sounds like that the whole time. So that is the song. So actually what I'm going to do first is I'm going to render it. So, and I could still go in and make this song more refined and other things later after I make the video too. So you can always do that. But now, for now, I'm just going to render it out onto the desktop, and then I'm going to kind of make a new file to make the video because I think that'll save on CPU usage. So rendering that. And also, so before I started this, I went around and I used this little camera here. And so I'm specifically and intentionally using lo-fi video just because I'm a lo-fi guy. And I have a bad computer. So because I shot all these videos on a super low resolution camera, and there's very few pixels in each screen, which you'll see. And that's just an artistic choice. So you could shoot in higher resolution video, and that would be good for you, maybe. But I'm choosing to shoot in low resolution video because for me, the idea is just some visuals over the song. Not necessarily like trying to be like a visual artist with this. I just want something more than just a static picture, so I can like maybe upload this cool little song I made to YouTube, and it's just a little bit more interesting than just a static picture or just having it like only on SoundCloud or something. Gives the viewer a little bit more to chew on this little basic song. You know, I like, my philosophy is like a basic song plus a basic music video equals something that's greater than the sum of its parts somehow. So, as we're sitting here watching REAPER crash because I'm trying to simultaneously upload a video and shoot a video about videos, we're going to go to this thing called the Media Explorer. And I have already, in this folder here called Random Visuals, I went around and I used this tiny little camera and I shot like 15-ish 15-second clips. So actually, before I put those in, I think the song was at 1:30, and we're going to drop all these in here. So it turns out that 15-second clips, 15-second clips is approximately one clip per 8 bars. So that's, I went in and I made it 1:30, and I just kind of looked here. I was like, how long is 8 bars? And it's like 14 seconds. So I made 15-second videos just to make sure I had it all, and then like that many. So yeah, so there you go. I have used REAPER to drop the video files into here. And a really special thing you got to do in REAPER is I put this button here. You have to you can like go to like the options and then go to like customize menus and toolbars, or you could go to actions and go to action list and type in show video, like hide the video window. You can control that to like a shortcut, so you can actually open this window because that's not there by default. Anyway, I've dropped these videos into REAPER, and they're just random clips of random stuff. So first I'm going to just mute this track because I don't want the audio of any of those. And now I'm going to go insert my song I rendered out. It's called Beep Snare Wave File. Boom, I'm going to drag that. Where'd it go? It got overlapped. There we go. There we go. So now I have beep snare and I got all these videos. And now all I'm going to do is I'm going to just trim these videos to be like exactly. So this one's a little shorter, but then the rest of these are going to be 8 bars. So I'm just going to cut it back to there. Yeah, my song actually starts on measure 2, so I'm going to make sure I have that right. Yep, 2 goes to the end of 9. all I'm gonna do is I'm not even gonna look at the videos, because I mean I already know they're just these really basic 15-second videos. Just make each one of them 8 bars. And so, I mean, you could go like way deeper in making your videos. It'd be cooler. I'm just kind of doing this for demonstration purposes to hopefully get the idea in your brain that this is a thing that you can do. So yeah, I'm just dragging each one of these back to be 8 bars. And that's like basically the whole concept. And so Reaper's really cool because it'll click the videos in sync with the time, because it is a DAW. So not a lot of people realize that you can use Reaper to make videos. And you used to have to do stuff to make it. You have to like augment Reaper with things. But now that it's the future, Reaper is automatically, by default, stock able to do this. I think you might have to download VLC. That might be like the one thing that you also need to have. But then once you own, or just have VLC on your computer, Reaper will automatically like know to use the VLC stuff to make and work with and edit these videos. Oh, there we go. I'm at the end of the song already. I made too many videos. There we go. Music video made. Basic visuals. Not too crazy, but not too bad. So yeah, then that's, it just pretty much keeps going the same thing. I mean, and I may even later go on, make some edits of the song that kind of makes sense with the video, maybe make some video edits that make some sense with the song if I was going to go in and make this like really complicated, or if I had more kind of intentions for this video beyond just being a tutorial and showing you that you can just drop videos in over stuff in Reaper. And then you can hit Control-Alt-R to open your render menu, and I already kind of have it defaulted, so the format is going to be a video at 640 30 frames per second. And then the little secret here is you actually have to type in which one you want. By default, if you just say I'm going to save it to the desktop and make it the tutorial video, you have to type .mp4 in this file, or else it'll automatically just make it an MOV. So that's how you get it to be an MP4. Then, time selection. Select some time. And then render one file. And because I am rendering it in 480p, it will render it 6.1 times real time. But if I made this a 1080p video and I dropped in like high definition videos in there, for one, my computer wouldn't even do it. It wouldn't even really be able to let you like watch the video. It will render it, but it makes it harder to edit. And it would take like 0.5 times real time to render in much higher quality. But if you have an actually good computer, that won't be a problem. But if you don't have a good computer, you can still make stuff. So there's no excuse. Just do it lo-fi. Like produce like it's 2006. Because that's what they had. All right, well, I think that's about the video. There's not really much more to it. Now I have on the desktop here. Oh, no, I don't know what that is. Tutorial video. We're just going to play that. Yeah, it's technically music video. However simple, it is effective.